Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden in Punta Gorda, Florida. And today, my granddaughter and I going to work in the garden, don't we? What are we gonna be doing? Huh?
I'm gonna water the plants.
Oh, water the plants. And you like working in the garden, don't you? Huh? Okay, you're gonna carry the basket for Grandma, and we're gonna start over here. Okay, I help you. Why you and I carry the basket? Wait. Okay? We're gonna go work in the garden. Not right now. Okay? Working. Okay? This is the other yard. We have 2 yards to take care, side to side. And this is the other yard we have where we take care of this yard also. This over here, come on, come on. This one is more like simple. We don't have that many plants. What are you doing? We don't have that many plants. You can see we have like a bougainvillea, we have crown of thorn, bougainvillea, and we have these big trees over here. Big trees. What are you doing? Silly? What are you doing? Come here. Come here, son. Yes, Sylvia, we're working. So, Madeline Hensel, stop. And we have, come on, we're gonna hold the basket, please, and get serious. These big cherry ladies, they give a lot of cherry. We have a little puppy over here. Her name is Gracie. Gracie the baby. Come here, Gracie, Papa. That's Gracie. She lost her daddy, and the shape is real good for her. So what we're doing today, we're gonna check all the plants. This is my big mango tree. They produce big mangoes. Oh my God, maybe like 3-4 pound mangoes. Okay, and over here, gonna go close to the water. This plant over here, come over here, no, you don't look in there. This plant over here is the neighbors, and by accident it's coming this way, and I really like it. Look at that, just growing wild over here with the snake plant and mother-in-law town. Is that beautiful? What? Look at this. Look at this, Madeline. You want a flower, Papa? You're a flower. So Madeline always pick one flower every time we go somewhere. She always picking flowers. So let's go this way. So we check the plants and make sure all the plants don't need anything. They're good. See anything is going on here? Like this one over here. Look at the rural. So this one over here. Can you stand over here, Papa? Huh? You stand there for Grandma. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna clean this. It's rooted. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little glue in here. It's gonna want to get root rot, so this will stop the root rot. And this one over here too, you see that? It's kind of root rot, so it's important to check the plants once in a while. This one over here, the same thing. I'm gonna twist it, cut it, it's root rot, and put some Maya glue to stop the root rot. Marlon, you're not allowed to get close to the water, okay? You understand? Marlon Hansel, not allowed to go too close to the water without Grandma. And you just put the glue here. Here, Madeline, you're supposed to carry this basket. Here, supposed to help Grandma. Let's go to the next plant and see what happens. These plants over here are, there's roses, they're little. But what I'm looking for any openings or anything. Hold it, Papa. These plants, caterpillars, any kind of spiders or anything, they look real good. The only thing I can see is a little bit all cutting in here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clean it with this little rag. And guess what? I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna protect my plants from the rain, from anything that gets in those cuts.
Can I my flower, Grandpa?
Let's see. So let's go to the next plant, and we come back and clean this mess over here. Um,
Maybe.
oh, come on. You can help him, Papa. Come on, this way. So, we have over here one of the ginger plants and one a crab plant over here. But this one is not doing too good. It's too much sun. We're gonna have to move this one. This one doesn't like too much sun. Look at this. All this is burned from the sun. So we're gonna move it. Come on. And over here, we have a small little desert rose. We're gonna check it out, Madeline. You see anything wrong, honey? Huh?
I did.
What's wrong with?
There's a spider right there, but I don't like it.
A spider. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. You don't like the spiders, huh? Nobody does, I think. Everybody's scared about spiders. So kind of little openings over here. Just gonna go ahead and seal them. And Madeline helps all the time. Thank you for your help, Madeline.
Do this.
Yes, I will in a minute.
I'll do it.
You do it? Okay, you can clean it?
I'll clean all of that off.
Okay, the only thing you're gonna have to wash your hands very good. Grandma's gonna have to wash you until we finish. And you cannot touch your face either, okay? So let's go this way. Okay, let's see this one over here. Over here, Madeline? I know, baby. Let's see. Over here, this one is okay, doesn't need anything. This one is okay, doesn't need anything. The only one you have to clean is this one, Madeline, and then I'm gonna put the glue. You wanna go ahead and clean that? Please? Clean it up real good, and then we're gonna put the glue. Thank you. And then Grandma puts the glue, and that's what we're doing today, okay? Sealing all the openings that we have, and then come this way. Come this way, Gracie. Come on. Gracie's here, the doggy. These ones are beautiful. This cactus over here gives a beautiful, beautiful flowers, and opens up and gives a beautiful, beautiful flowers, like white flowers over here. And this is the mother-in-law tan, or snake plant they call it. This is a cactus. Madeline, come here. You're working with Grandma, okay? You're not allowed to go anywhere alone. Come on, jump. We're gonna check these plants over here. Over here we have, okay, Madeline, one more to clean. This one needs to be clean over here.
Well,
You see that? So we need to clean that.
yeah.
Don't get too close to the water, and then we need to clean that. You got it?
Can you see me? Oh, that's it. Under
Yeah.
the water.
Yeah. Come this way, and let's clean this one over here. When Grandma put glue in here. Thank you for your help, Madeline. You need to help Grandma. And then this one needs to be clean too. You see that? But don't go close to the water. I'm gonna move it for you. Let's see. Just a minute. Stand over here. Okay, you can clean it now. Clean this one a little bit like that. Clean it there. And then we seal them. And this prevents the plants from getting any water or anything, Madeline. And the plants will be healthy, beautiful. Okay? And this is what we do today. Okay? And let's go this way. Here's your basket. Here's your basket. Can you please hold it? And we're gonna go wash your hands very good. And also we have. Are you okay? And then over here, we're gonna have to clean this. This is where the birds drink water. All the birds. This kind of grass, so it's happening over here. And this is the beautiful, beautiful orchid trees. Purple flowers, huge, huge flowers. And this usually has seeds once a year. I have few requests for seeds, and I'm gonna save some seeds and send them to some people. In the meantime, come on, let's go to the hammock. You like to go to the hammock? No, it's wet. We cannot go there. It's nasty. It's wet from rain. We cannot go there. But anyway, this is all we're gonna talk about today. That we take care also this yard where Joe lives. He's a nice guy. We love him. Joe Dixon, anyway. Madeline from Maria's garden. Say bye-bye, Madeline.
Bye-bye.
With your hands. Bye-bye. Thank you.